or do I need to install BMW 3 Series wheel spacers? If you replace a set of aftermarket wheels with the inaccurate center hole data, there will be vibration at high speed. In this case, installing BONOSS BMW 3 Series wheel spacers can effectively stop the rubbing issue. Using BMW 3 Series wheel spacers is a good practical application for aesthetics purpose and performance upgrade. It is the most cost-effective and easiest way to keep bigger tires from rubbing the fender. By moving the tires out a few meters, this BONOSS Forged Lighter Plus wheel spacers make the BMW look sporty. The wheels sit further away, which provides better stability and rollover resistance. You can achieve such a purpose without replacing the wheels. BONOSS provides extremely light BMW spacers that are precisely machined with few hollow holes. The hollow-out design of BONOSS Forged Lighter Plus wheel spacers is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce the weight and energy consumption. If you are looking to improve the appearance, handling, and stability of your BMW 3 Series, then wheel spacers should be your best choice. Wheel spacers are effective modifications that can transform your driving experience. For BMW 3 Series, known for their performance and reliability, installing wheel spacers can further enhance these attributes, whether it's for daily driving or for performance enhancement. The addition of spacers ensures that the vehicle can handle higher torque levels and provide a smoother, more responsive driving experience. That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS BMW 3 Series wheel spacers, please check the link below. See you next time. Bye bye!